Yeah, I'm sick and tired of talking about this shit too, but look, there's more of it. For anybody who cares, do a little research. You can find all kinds of information on government websites about geoengineering, weather modification. That's what that is. Lines going all the way from one side of the sky all the way to the other. You can see that plane leaving one right there, leaving these grid patterns. I can't get the whole sky. If I could, you'd see these grid patterns all around the whole sky, I bet. But if you do some research, folks, I'm certain that you will find that these chemicals, these heavy metals, are toxic, and they are dangerous for our environment. They are dangerous for our bodies. And I know I'm sick and tired of talking about it too, but I'm tired of this stuff being dumped on me even more. Something has to be done. And not only that, my bigger concern is that people are psychologically mind warped over this stuff. They see it and they think there's absolutely nothing we can do about corruption in our government and in our military and in our banking and in our food and in our medical industries and everything else. But nevertheless, it's time to reach deep within yourself and find the courage to fight that monster that you're looking at right there. That monster will not go away until you die or stand and fight.